Flexible, 24-inch strong long gooseneck arm that can bend to any shape, 360-degree rotating lazy bracket clip. Adjust to any angle, face downwards, portrait and landscape to free your hands for livestream, live broadcast, live show, selfie or video chat, or just works as desk tabletop lamp. Dimmable, has multiple hue and brightness settings to get just the right look. Just choose from the 3 light color and 10 level brightness for your preferred uses, makeup, lay flat, selfie photos taking, dark scenery vlogging etc. No more searching for the perfect cell phone lights for selfies streaming. Easy to use, easy control on cord to power on, off or switch to the lighting mode you prefer. USB powered, no battery needed, works well with multiple devices, PC, laptop, battery bank. Upgraded phone holder. With an extra width that ranges up to 3.6 inch, our phone holder is compatible with almost all smartphones with or without a case, suitable for iPhone 7 Plus, 7, 8, 8 Plus, X, 6, 6s, 5, 5s, 4, 4s, Samsung Note 8, S8, LG, HTC. Reinforced non-slip rubber backing clip to hold your phone firmly without scratching it. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing. I do some corny little cooking videos and I was looking for something where I could adjust the camera as well as the light, you know, something better than a traditional rigid tripod. This was the exact thing I was looking for. With the different lighting options and having both the camera and light adjustable, this is outstanding. Not to mention it doesn't feel cheap, it's totally well made and has been perfect.